This short video will discuss the statement of the problem between the open syllable versus the closed syllable for vowel, consonant, vowel words. Here we have a pattern of a vowel, consonant, vowel. What we're going to do is cut between the leading vowel and the consonant. This will create what we call an open syllable. The characteristics are usually the first syllable is accented, and this leading vowel in the first syllable will be long. Let's take a look at a few words that have this pattern. So here we have the cut between the vowel, consonant, vowel. So here's our cut. So this makes this long and accented. Bagel, bonus, cider, frozen, human, laser, saber, spider, sofa, trident. Now let's look at this pattern. We have a vowel, consonant, vowel. So same as over here, except this time we're going to cut it after the consonant, and that makes a closed syllable. Again, the first syllable will probably be accented, but this time the vowel is going to be short. Let's take a look at some words that have that pattern. We have acid, blemish, gratis, manic, medic, novice, product, ravish, robin, and sliver. Now it's very complicated. How do you know which one to use? Do you use the open syllable or closed syllable? It's hard to decide. Let's make it even a little bit more complicated. So we have a third pattern. This time we're going to make another open syllable, but this time the second syllable is accented, which makes the first syllable vowel short or schwa. Let's take a look at some of those words. Okay, the schwa is represented by the upside down E. So we have abode, abuse, cadet, canal, divide, lagoon, mature, pecan, rebel, and taboo. So this is very complicated if you have a word that you do not know and it has a vowel, consonant, vowel. So let's make a simple rule for all patterns. So when you see a word with a vowel, consonant, vowel, let's cut it between the vowel, the leading vowel, and the consonant, making it look like an open syllable. We'll call this the one finger or one consonant rule. But after you do that, the next thing you have to do is we have to figure out what this vowel is going to say. So let's set up a sequence and try this sound in this order for every time you have this pattern. So first time, try the short sound. That doesn't make sense. Try the schwa sound, which is a. Try the long vowel sound. Rarely there is a diphthong sound. And if this was an R, that would be a bossy R sound, but that's going to be another rule later on. So why is this important? Well, in two-syllable words, the first syllable, 32% are going to be short. Only 6% are going to be schwa, but that is 38%. The next one would be long. That's 47%. So that's pretty close to 50-50 chance of being short or schwa or long. Then you have the diphthong vowel sound as 11%. But let's look at bigger words. If we have three-syllable words, the first syllable is going to have 61% with the short sound, 11% with the schwa sound. So that is 72% with these two. So this is why we want to use this order regardless of how many syllables are in a word. And only 12% are going to be long. So you can see it really drops down significantly down to the long sound. Let's look at the second syllable of a three-letter word, or a three-syllable word. Okay, the short sound drops down to 29%, but you have more schwa, so that's still 69% of these two. And again, only 11% for long. So regardless if you have two syllables, three syllables, or four-syllable words, use, and you have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, make it open, and then try the short, schwa, long, or diphthong vowel sound. Now, another thing that makes it confusing is the dictionary hyphen. So the dictionary hyphen, it looks like this. How we say it will be shown like this in the dictionary. So here we have building. Well, look, it doesn't match. You got the D here, but you got the D in the second syllable. Let me change pens here. So actually, we would cut it. This is more of a match, building, so it matches that. So this is why this match makes our head spin. So let's take a look at some patterns. So again, we'll have more rules. So here's our one that we talked about before, the vowel, consonant, vowel. Sometimes you'll have 2 consonants, 3 consonants, 4 consonants, or even 5 consonants. But here's what you do. You find your vowels and count the consonants. So here we have 1, 2, so we cut it in half. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We're going to cut that in half. Bumper. Let's go down here. We have 3. 1, 2, 3 consonants between the 2 vowels. 2 of them have to go together because you can't cut 3 in half. Here we have a vowel, consonant, vowel. Let's cut it here. So we have dress, maker. It kind of matches this one. Okay, here we have 1, a vowel, vowel. Again, going back to our previous example, we have glide. We want glitter, glutter, glider. So we want to try that pattern. So you can see how you can cut and make your own visual pattern and then try and pronounce it. Again, use the pattern of the first vowel, any syllable. Try the short sound, try the schwa sound, try the long sound, then try the diphthong. And again, if you have an R behind a vowel, it would be the bossy R. So try this sequence every time you cut syllables, and that should help you get less confused. Again, it's kind of a guessing game, but at least this gives you a pattern, consistent pattern, so you can try it for every unknown word. I hope this helps you break down and decode unknown multi-syllable words.